to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. Both Venmo and Cash App are finance app that allows peer-to-peer payments, and you can even use them for things like investing in Bitcoin. It's the most efficient way to get funds from Venmo into Cash App. To start, open Venmo and go to the Me tab on the bottom right corner. Under Wallet, you'll see your Venmo balance here. Tap the blue transfer button for a quick transfer. There's an instant option with a small fee, which varies based on amount being transferred. If you want to skip the fee, you can select 1 to 3 business days option, which we'll choose here, and tap transfer to send the money to our bank. Now you can see our transfer has initiated. Once that's done, switch over to Cash App. To add the money that we just sent from the Venmo into Cash App, go to Money tab on the bottom left corner and tap Add Cash. Enter the amount that you want to add and tap Add. Now the new balance shows up instantly in our Cash App. And that's it. Now that the money is in Cash App, you can use it as you normally would, whether that's spending with your Cash App card, investing, or sending money to friends. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.